Factory 21 is evidence that Gestamp is always on the move. The first Smart Factory pilot project encompasses a revolutionary concept whose main function is to create a flexible production flow, managing all available resources in real time.
Smart Factory es el nuevo concepto de fabricación con el que damos respuesta a la incertidumbre del mercado, principalmente en lo referente a previsiones de demanda. Un concepto diseñado y desarrollado para fabricar cualquier tipo de producto dentro de las mismas instalaciones, administrando flujos de producción flexible. Todo esto lo hacemos posible gracias a un IoT masivo y a la automatización inteligente de procesos, que permiten una operativa sincronizada entre las diferentes unidades de producción.
Optimal data management through various layers of software and artificial intelligence, as well as the use of traceability systems, makes it possible to link the physical world with the virtual world, interacting with equipment, products, and people. These new modular assembly facilities are distributed throughout the production area in a matrix to be able to manufacture any type of product. The rest of the process areas are linked by autonomous vehicles within the production system. It is a production system designed in circuits and movement flows between the different process areas. Kitting area, assembly cells, quality control cells, and racking area.